My husband celebrated his birthday a few weeks ago, and for his birthday, I thought he'd love this pop-up gazebo gifted to me by Cobizi. We love to be outdoors, especially when the weather is cooler, but we still need protection from the sun and, of course, all of those pesky bugs that come around, especially when you're eating. While we set this up, I'm going to be talking to you about some of the features. This gazebo is 12 by 12 feet with enough space for 8 people and even furniture. The ceiling is high, which allows plenty of headspace even when in standing position. The setup is quick and easy with a strong one-piece frame. No installation or tools are required. This can literally be set up by one person in just 1 minute. This was actually the first time that we set this up, so it did take us a little bit longer. Now that we know what to expect, the second time around is going to be so much easier. This gazebo is so beautiful. The way it is set up right now is without the roof panels and the side panels. You can definitely leave it like this if you want. This would be very useful at keeping bugs out. This is completely surrounded in a mosquito net, and I absolutely love that you can take off the roof panels and just stare at the sky or even the stars at night. There is so much room in this gazebo, and the ways that you can use this space are endless. My first choice would be date night, and then picnic in the park with the kids, and even setting food in here for a party. There is a two-way zipper on this gazebo, so no worries, you will not get locked inside. And here is the gazebo with the roof panels on. These roof panels are waterproof and UV resistant. The polyester fabric keeps you and your guests safe from harmful UV rays while out in the sun. Here is another option, and that is to cover the sides with panels. This gives an enormous amount of privacy, shields you from the sun, and even the outdoor elements. You can find this over on Amazon, and I'll go ahead and link everything down below in case you are interested in something like this. If I have a discount code available, I'll also put that in my description box. Thank you, Cobizi, for sponsoring this portion of today's video.